Santa rally fades, but Wall Street's strength sparks new hope for Nifty bulls. Nifty plunged in Friday's trade as Santa Claus rally fizzled. The good news, however, this Monday morning is that Nifty bulls may be able to take their Friday's lump of coal in stride and start the day on positive footing. The positive catalyst, the US stocks delivered fantastic performance in Friday's trade, the final day of the Santa Claus rally period. At the closing bell on Friday, the Dow Jones was up 0.8% to 42,732, the broader S&P 500 flared up 1.3% to 5,942, and the Nasdaq Composite rose 1.8% to 19,621. So, this morning, Nifty bulls will aim to take over the positive baton from Wall Street's strong finish. Our call of the day suggests as we head deeper into 2025, aggressive bullish traders need to remember that we may see above-average volatility amidst 1. The uncertainty tied to the Federal Reserve's rate path. 2. The Street suspects President-elect Donald Trump's policies to be inflationary. 3. Immigration and taxation planned by President-elect Donald Trump. 4. Spike in WTI oil prices towards $73 a barrel. 5. The threat of elevated US Treasury yields at 4.61% and US dollar spiking to 109.25. Long story short, with interim perspective, Nifty's direction will depend on what Trump will do after he takes office as US President on 20th January. Global cues are positive. In Friday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 40 to 27 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 821 crores. Sentiments are likely to waver in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating oversold technicals on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.54 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.16 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.83. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4005. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,905 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,321 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,900 to 4200. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 50989. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen only at 50,481 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,800 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,500 and 51500. Bias for the day is neutral. Well, Nifty's Friday's drubbing can be blamed purely to FIIs being net sellers in the week gone by to the tune of 11,041.60 crores rupees. Buzzing stocks. 1. Media reports suggests that the government will launch another round of production-linked incentive scheme for the steel sector on Monday, 6th January. The PLI Scheme 1.1 will be launched by the Steel Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy. 2. Meanwhile, U.S. steel shares fell 6.5% at Wall Street in Friday's trade after President Joe Biden blocked Nippon Steel's $14.9 billion acquisition, which faced political opposition. 3. Avenue Supermarts, OW near of D-Mart retail chain, shares gained 12% in Friday's trade. Buying in the stock sparked after the company released its Q3 business update. Avenue Supermarts said its standalone revenue from operations grew 17.4% year-on-year, YOY, at 15,565.23 crore rupees compared to 13,247.33 crore rupees a year ago. 4. Amidst spiking oil prices to an over-2-month high, ONGC and Oil India flared up 4% each in Friday's trade. Oil prices are on the rise on hopes of improvement in China's economic growth prospects.